Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I am going to tell you how to build up your vocabulary power to speak effective English. Alright, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learners, it is very important to improve your vocabulary in order to speak fluent English. And even we all know that vocabulary plays a vital role to speak very fluent English. For example, if you do not have vocabulary, if you are not good at it, then believe me, you can't speak very good English. It's a very true, because also when I was unable to study or to remember more vocabulary, then I was not speaking good English. But then I started working on my vocabulary building, and then after I realized that I have improved a bit. So here I will be telling you few process, and if you follow those process, then believe me, you can also improve your vocabulary, and which will indirectly help you to improve your communication. All right, so now see, dear learners, so far what I have experienced is reading is the best way to improve your vocabulary. Reading is the best way to improve your vocabulary. But now you might be astonished just by listening me, and you might be thinking like how reading can help you to improve your vocabulary, right? So I am all ears to tell you how reading can help you to brush up your vocabulary, right? So first of all, you need to start from the very basic thing. And the basic thing is that just pick up any chapter or any book which you are interested in. I mean to say, like if you are not interested reading the political news or reading the politics, all right, or political books, then obviously you will not feel good at it while reading. So that's why I am requesting you, if you want to improve your vocabulary, then it is very necessary to pick up those books which you have interest in. Okay, which you are interested in. Like if you are interested in reading mimics book or political books or geography books or any news kind of things, like any things, history books, just pick up any books or any novels or any biography books. Try to pick up any books which you are interested in, and then after start reading one page, one page every day, every single day. Here I am not asking you to read one complete chapter, not at all, because if you will read one complete chapter, it is going to take a lot of times, and moreover you will come up with several vocabularies, and which will not be, I should say, which will not be good for you to remember all the vocabularies. So that's why here I'm asking you to study one page every single day. And here now I am telling you like how it is going to be helpful for you. Because when you read a chapter, sorry, when you read a page every single day, so it is very sure, it is very certain that you are going to come up with a few vocabulary which you don't know. For example, today you have read a page, read a complete page, and in that page you found five vocabulary which is not familiar to you, means which is new to you. All right. So in that case, what you need to do? Like the moment you found any vocabulary which is new to you, so on the spot try to find out the meaning. Take the help of your phone, means take the help of Google, and search it. All right, and after searching it, write down in your notebook and remember it, what is the meaning of it. And then after, don't close your book, just start once again from the very basic, from the very starting point, and use that vocabulary that you have learnt before. And so here you will find that you got few vocabulary, and after that if you do such things, so not only you are improving your vocabulary, you are not learning vocabulary. Because if you are utilizing again in your reading, so we'll understand the concept, how to use it, so this is how it can help you to improve your vocabulary. And after some time, so let's assume today you have learned five vocabulary, today you have brushed up five vocabularies only, okay, let's add only. So if you continue this process up to 30 days, so you just multiply 5 into 30, so you'll find here 150 vocabulary. In a month you are going to improve 150 vocabulary. In a month you are going to improve. So this is how you can improve lot of vocabulary, and which is going to be very amazing. All right. So this is the thing, how reading can help you to improve your communication. So now I will be speaking little bit different. Little bit different means if you are really very regular, very continue to reading, so it doesn't only improve your vocabulary, but also it improves your pronunciation. It improves your pronunciation. Yes, it is very true. It's very true. And the thing is what? I will tell you few tips. And if you follow these all things, so while improving your vocabulary, you can improve your direct communication. Okay? You can improve your English communication directly. First thing I told you how to improve your vocab. And now here I'm telling you how it can improve your pronunciation as well as your English communication directly. So if you want to improve your pronunciation, so try to read it with accuracy. Accuracy means, for example, there is a word which we call environment. environment. So people or a student who don't know it, they pronounce it little different, like environment, something like that. So if you have any problem, any confusion on any word, try to check the pronunciation very well. So in such a way, you can improve your pronunciation as well as your vocabulary. Now, let me come back to the point. So here guys, let's suppose today you have read any article or any page of any chapter. So after reading it, try to summarize it. Try to summarize it. Try to create a short story of what you have studied or what you have read. And then after, speak it. Now the question is, speak it with whom? So to yourself only. To yourself only. Because it's you only who is always with you. And if you talk about me or any other person, so after some period of time they're gonna leave you, and they will not going to stay, they will not stay to you always. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you, just after creating a short story, try to narrate it to yourself, maybe in front of the mirror, and if not in front of the mirror, then just hold your phone, start your camera and record yourself there, film your video, film yourself. And you will not believe me, after doing such process for the few continuous days, you can see a vast changes. You can see a huge changes in your communication. All right. So guys, I started speaking to you in like how to improve your vocabulary. But in additionally, I told you a lot of things. Improve your pronunciation, improving your like communication, and improving your what vocabulary. And after that, I told you like short out the story, create a short story in order to improve your communication. So just follow these three tips only for the few days, then believe me, you can see a huge changes in your communication. And even after a few days, you can tell me you can tell me your things, like whether you are improving or not. But the condition is that you should be consistent. You should be consistent. This is the condition. All right. It's not like that if you did it today, tomorrow you're gonna not do it, then it is not going to work for you. If you want the result, just do 15 minutes a day, but do every day. Do every day. Let's suppose today you were so busy, so that you could not do, you couldn't study, you couldn't read even for the 15 minutes. So in the next day, you have to cover that thing. 15 minutes for yesterday, 15 minutes for today. So means you have to study, you have to do the same process for the 30 minutes. So this is how you can back up the things. All right. So anyway guys, it's all about vocabulary building. So in the next video, we will be talking about the different things, so which will be directly enhancing your communication. All right. So anyway guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please let me know in the comment section. And till now, that's enough. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, see you soon.